What if I told you that this phone is built by advanced robots? Every part is assembled with incredible accuracy. Let's begin. Every iPhone starts long before it reaches a factory. Designers spend years developing new models. Specialized manufacturers produce the individual parts before they are shipped to assembly facilities. The processor is a vital part of an iPhone. Modern chips contain billions of transistors. They are made in extremely clean facilities. Machines use light to create circuits.
The display is one of the most complex parts of the phone. Ultra-thin layers of glass and display materials are carefully combined. Machines inspect every screen. They check for scratches, dead pixels.
Modern smartphone cameras contain tiny precision lenses and advanced image sensors. Automated systems align each lens with incredible accuracy. Every camera module is tested before installation. Lithium-ion batteries are produced under carefully controlled conditions. Each battery is tested for capacity, safety, and performance. Protective circuits are attached before shipping. Now everything comes together. Tiny screws are tightened using precision tools. Flexible cables connect different parts of the phone. Every step is carefully monitored. Once assembly is complete, the phone receives its operating system. Automated systems test the touchscreen, cameras, and speakers. They also verify wireless connections and display performance. Phones are cleaned before packaging. Accessories are added to boxes. They are sealed and packed. Cartons travel by air and sea. Retailers receive them worldwide. And that's how one of the world's most advanced smartphones is manufactured, from microscopic chips to precision cameras and final quality inspections. Thank you for watching Factory Secrets. If you enjoyed